back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add AI generated images to your Canva video. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to add AI generated images in Canva video, first of all you need to open your video project in Canva. You can start a new video design or open an existing one in the Canva editor. Once you have opened your video design, you can simply go and tap on the magic media option. So once you have selected your video, you can simply scroll down below and find an option called magic media. Now once you have found the option called magic media, all you got to do now is simply tap on it. Once you tap on that particular option, you need to simply enter your prompt. You need to describe the image, and you can simply at least use 5 words for better results. You need to select your style and aspect ratio as well and hit the generate option and tap on add. Once you have done this, you will be able to simply add AI generated images to your Canva videos. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.